Dharma Productions Private Limited is an Indian production and distribution company established by late great Mr. Yash Johar in 1979. It was taken over in 2004 by Mr. Karan Johar. Based in Mumbai, Dharma Productions mainly produces and distributes Hindi films. Dharma Productions is using our Senses HRM Thread software since 2016. Before implementing the Senses HRM Thread software, the work was happening manually in terms of managing the leave, attendance management, and other HR activities, which was a very tedious and a time-consuming task for the organization. After implementing Senses HRM Thread software in Dharma Production, things had become quite smooth, steady, and streamlined. The work was happening on time and saving more energy for some extra works. Let's hear it from Mr. Anand Nahata, CFO of Dharma Production. He shared their ongoing experience with our Senses HRM Thread software.
Hi friends, this is Anand Nahata and I work as the CFO at Dharma Productions. As you all may be aware that we are in the business of making movies, ad films, web series and multiple other businesses including launching of new talents. I have been here for the last 6 years and we have implemented Senses in 2016. Before I joined Dharma Productions, things were used to be managed manually. Leave management, attendance management system, everything was being done manually along with salary. And the way we operate our businesses, we manage the attendance very strictly. So there was a lot of time which was being spent on calculation of salaries for all the employees. After I joined, we started looking at a HRMS system which could combine all these things into one software and get things into an automatic mode and streamline and smoothen the process. The intent was to bring in more efficiency. I evaluated quite a few softwares of different companies and Senses was the one which stood out of all of them. Senses is a complete package. It has a lot of advantages to offer, right from attendance management system, leave management system, payroll management, as well as compliances. So we have tried to incorporate all this into this software and we are managing it efficiently and smoothly. Senses also allows us to manage payroll very efficiently. It has all the features and with every budget, whenever there are new changes in the statutory taxes, income taxes and other things, it is very easily customizable and new rules can be fed into the system very easily. Apart from this, as an intranet portal, it works very efficiently. It has options of doing surveys, doing feedbacks from employees and also uploading company related documents on a portal which each employee can view and use from their own respective logins. All in all, three things which stand out for Senses are the flexibility the software has to offer, the customizable nature of the software and the after sales support. The customer support is something which I must say that it's a customer's delight. They have never failed to help us when we need them and they are very proactive in terms of giving the solutions to the problems. So anyone who is looking to bring out operational efficiencies in their HR system, they are looking to improve the leave management and attendance management system, workflow management, as well as communication with employees, they should look at automizing their systems and I think Senses will lead the pack of all of them. They should evaluate and certainly look at Senses because of its flexible nature as well as the customer support.